Hello, guys, and welcome to another episode for the Armor 3 editor. So let's jump right into it. Today we're gonna look at how to make an IED and explode things. So the first thing you want to know, of course, is what is an IED? Well, an IED is basically some sort of bomb that explodes when something drives over it or something gets nearby the object. In this case, we are going to make it we are going to make sure that if we are approaching this bomb, it will explode in our faces. So let's search for a road. You know what? Let's just do it in the city. Why not? So, like in every editor tutorial, we will create a new guy. So this guy is going to be blue 4 NATO. It's going to be a man, just a rifleman would be fine. You can name the guy if you want to. It doesn't really matter. Now we are gonna make it a player so we can actually move with this guy. There we go. We're gonna hold shift so we can turn the guy around. Hold shift and click with your left mouse button. There we go. Once we've done that, we can now create an empty object. So let's use the empty object. Let's go to, let's see. We're gonna take an item. It's gonna be something really simple. You can make it really obvious so you can see it really well so we know it's going to be an IED. You can also make it like extremely small so you can barely see the thing. Let's make it something like really big right now, just so we can know. So let's see. What are we gonna take? What are we gonna take? Let's go for object small and then take a canteen, for example. There we go. We are gonna name this just IED, that's it. Because it's the trigger that's gonna do all the work for us. So we're gonna select the trigger, double click on the road, change the size of this trigger. Let's say 10 by 5 should be enough. And on the act, we will place in this script. So the bomb is the type of bomb, which I suppose is an anti-tank rocket, I think. And then it's gonna, well, it's basically it's gonna create a vehicle, explode the bomb, and then delete the vehicle. But by vehicle, we also mean like some sort of object. So in this case, it's going to be the canteen. We're going to press OK, hold shift and left mouse button to turn around trigger. There we go. We're going to put it as close as possible, like that. And we're going to test this baby out. I like to see myself explode in this game. So let's do this as much as possible. If it was me, I would just do this hours and hours straight, just run into a bomb, because it's so cool. So there we are. That's the canteen. You probably, if you didn't know that was an ID, you would just be like, oh, nice, water. Let's grab some water. And it doesn't work. Oh no, why does it not work? Well, let me explain this to you. I always do this, guys. I always mess this up on purpose so you guys can see if you run into problems, how to fix it. We have to place the trigger, but we haven't placed why or how it's going to be activated. So on activation by blue 4, it's going to go and activate the script. There we go. And now we're going to preview it again and it should work. You can do this for pretty much anything. You can do this for the independent, you can do this for the up for civilians, everything. Let's go. Water. Ever dead. Oh, this is so good. So yeah, that's it. Now, if you were to use a vehicle, it would just blow up the tires, basically. So you would have to get out of the vehicle and move forward on foot. Now, this is going to be very useful if you do sort of missions where you have ambushes and stuff. Now, we're going to change this object to something really, really small. Um, if you want to do something really small that's hard to see, we could use like a pencil or something. Yeah, see, we could use a simple pencil and try it again. Now there's the bomb. I don't see a bomb. Well, look at that. It's like a really small pencil. You can barely see it. If you were driving on here with a truck or anything like that, you wouldn't be able to see it. But once we move closer, we're dead. See, this is so cool. You can do so much stuff with this. You can you can place them inside houses, you can place them on towers, you can place them near vehicles. You can do pretty much anything you want with IEDs like this. Uh, Now, if we were to change this to a car, for example, let's say a hunter, just like that, and we do it again. All right, let's go in third person. Let's put on the engine, and there we go. There we go. All the wheels are gone. All of them. We have no wheels left. We could continue driving if we really wanted to. If we had an MG on this thing and you really need the support of the MG, then yeah, you could be going forward. Or you can make a mission where you go around and search for wheels. So that's pretty cool if you ask me. It's wonderful. So that's about it. If you wanna use IEDs, well, this is the perfect opportunity. This is the perfect way to get IEDs. So I will catch you guys next time. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out a tremendous amount, and I will see you next time.